Good morning, this is Helen. I will show you our workshop now. These are fan guard grill, automatic looping and welding machine. This is also looping and welding machine for Mexico. This is a tailor-made machine for making the fan guard bracket to make this part. And also looping and welding machine. This is a welding making machine. Make the rings for the fan guard grill. This machine is under production for Italy customer. It's double station automatic fan guard grill welding machine. Because their fan guard grill are made of round ring, so not use looping. These are tailor-made welding machine. Also looping and welding machine. Office there. This part. These are our machines for these types of products. Fan guard grill, strainer, this is the strainer automatic welding machine. This is the automatic strainer looping machine. This is also looping machine. These are ready machines, ready for shipment.